What's up guys, Emmanuel Check It In here, and today we're going to go ahead and be installing the Acuity Poco insulated low profile shift knob. This is part 2. In part 1 I did the shifter bushings from Acuity, and today I'm going to go ahead and be installing the, well, it's the same day guys, but just different video. But this is the Acuity shift knob. I kind of showed it to you guys in the last video. It is the same color, but it's supposed to sit a lot lower than this one, which is a hybrid racing Durlin shift knob. And this is the Acuity Poco insulated shift knob. It has a nice weight to it, and it has the threads like deep in there, so it's supposed to sit lower and reduce the throws. So I'm going for the ultimate setup guys. I have the Acuity shifter bushings, the hybrid racing short shifter, and now I'm going with the shift knob that's supposed to reduce the throws. And it feels like I'm cheating on hybrid racing by installing Acuity parts, but I bought my own parts. I'm not sponsored, so hey, you guys can do whatever you want. I'm gonna go ahead and install this. Let's start off by removing this shift knob here. This has like, the thing I've noticed about this is it kind of rattles, and that's kind of annoying. So we're gonna have to remove the shift knob. It's nice and tight. If I can get it open. All right, and then we're gonna go ahead and remove this right here. I'll go ahead and grab a it's like a 17 mil wrench. All right guys, so got a trim remover tool here, so let's go ahead and pop these off. Well, first let's go ahead and take this off. So yeah, this is gonna be nice and easy like this. So this is what you need for the hybrid racing setup, and then this obviously connects to this like this, but we're not doing that anymore. We're switching it up guys, keeping it interesting. Let's go ahead and remove these panels here. Oh gosh, you just pull these out like this, like that guys, nice and easy. This one will be easier than that. Alright, got underneath it. Oh gosh. Okay guys. Alright guys, so now all we have to do is we are gonna have to take off these screws right here. Forgot about those. Let's go ahead and take those off real quick. Let's see. We're gonna take these off. It has two on the side. Get in here. Alright guys, and then this should just pop off. Is off. These screws over here somewhere. Side ones. It does have these clips on it. This thing gets so dusty, guys. So it has these little clips on the bottom, little tabs that you just squeeze and pull. Okay, so that comes off, guys. So now what we're gonna be doing is going to be removing this hybrid racing boot collar, which is just like a rubber band. So pretty much guys, all you have to do is just pull this off like this, and then this should come right off. This will come right off like this. And this is what's holding it. Okay, set this to the side guys. I'm gonna adjust my shifter a little bit closer to this way. I think it's a little too far out that way. It's just 3/16. I did tighten this really tight guys, so I don't know if it's gonna want to loosen up guys. Sorry, I keep falling. So this was kind of like to that way. So I'm gonna adjust it more towards this way, I guess. Where's the, it has like little line indicators here. But I felt like it was too that way. Let's see. Let me tighten that right there, see what it feels like, guys. Wow, this makes the shift feel so much shorter because it was so much higher with this. Like, it makes a big difference, like not even having it all installed, guys. The throw is way shorter. But yeah, I don't know where I want this. I think I kind of like it right here. Yeah, I think I like it right here, guys. As long as it doesn't hit right here anywhere. I'm gonna take it out. So yeah, I think that's where I want it. Okay, the new collar for this. Okay, so this is supposed to go in here. This is supposed to go in here like this. Pretty much the same concept as the other shift knob. They supplied a zip tie to go over it like this. So you got a little zip tie, I guess. Let's go ahead and try this. Alright guys, that's probably as good as it's gonna get. I'm gonna go clip this with some scissors. Alright guys, I'm just gonna set this down to see where it sits. Because I don't want to put the, oh wow guys, this looks like a little stubby. Yeah, just cooks up like this. I'm trying to get this to go in here. There we go guys. It's a little crooked, but it does, oh my goodness, it's so short guys. But yeah guys, yeah, this is exactly where I want the shift knob to be as well. That's kind of cool. I wanted it more centered, but it's kind of hard because you're going in blind with the zip tie because they're doing it from the bottom. It's okay, it looks fine. But yeah guys, this like really shortens the shifter like to the bottom, because like the threads go all the way up here, and it makes a big difference. Like the old one was like up here, like probably like this, like up here. But yeah guys, way different feeling setup now that I have this. But yeah guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put all this back together. Alright guys, this is the camera's gonna die. I think I'm gonna go for a quick drive, and when the camera dies, that'll be at the end guys. But yeah, super short. Just check this out. Oh my gosh. Let's go for a rip. Super short throws guys. Let's see. This is the new Acuity bushings and the new shift knob. And yeah guys, Oof. Super short. Yeah, guys, it's pretty insane the difference it makes. The throws are super short and firm. It's crazy. Yeah, guys, my camera's about to die, so I may lose you at any minute, but yeah, this will be the end of the video for sure, guys. Thank you for watching.